Hello everyone! This is me again. Welcome to my vlog. Hello everyone. We're here at Yuga. This is Yuga. So, we're gonna celebrate Polgy's birthday. It's her 7th birthday. Polgy! This restaurant near our town. It's pet friendly. So, pets can dine in, cats or dogs. And they have a menu for dogs. So, that's why Polgy is happy to eat here because she can go inside the resto and it's pet friendly and they have AC. So there, we ordered Polgy's food. The last time she had the steak something for dogs. It's a bowl of anything that's allowed for dogs to eat. So today she's having for her birthday a Cooper cuisine, which is chicken. Ano yung kasama nun? Chicken, carrots, and another one. I forgot, but it's for dogs. So it's for her. So it's a nice restaurant. There's nice utensils and dinnerwares there. So Polgy, she's happy. She's looking outside. Good girl naman. She's there. So we're here. And this is Polgy. Polgy. So we're gonna celebrate Polgy's birthday. It's raining outside. That's why also we picked this restaurant because it's pet friendly. Right now it's dinner time, so we're gonna eat dinner with and Polgy celebration. So she's happy na. So she's looking outside. Ito, dali. Yan, bigyan mo. Dito.
Ayun, hindi siya sa mga
Bigyan mo.
Hindi niya po. Ay, sorry.
Thank you. Tapos sabi ko. Dali, happy birthday na. Happy birthday.
At andun lang.
Happy birthday. Ay, papakita mo kay Tito Randy.
Pero si Johnson.
Wait, naka-video. Sige, after lang. Hawakan na. Ni Papala.
Inalok niya ako Benjo. Randy
din yung mag-record. Dali, up na ulit. Hawak na ulit.
Ayan o, kumakain. Sineselebrate yung birthday niya.
Happy birthday,
Uy!
Wait lang, pahinga. Hindi siya makapili.
Gawa na ba yung bahay Benjo?
Sige, kuha ang chicken. Kuha. Ayun, thank you po.
Doon lang sa may petrol. Doon sa
Inupuan na.
Polgy's here na. Polgy's food. This is the chicken. She's eating now. She loves it. And then, they got her a free cappuccino. A whipped cream for dogs. Okay for dogs. And then water. Cold water. So, I'm just gonna wait until Polgy's done. Because this is her food. Chimken! Chimken! Mainit pa ba, girl? So, this is our food. We just ordered the slow roast and this beef. And then, truffle pasta. So, there. Can you pour that? And I ordered some rice. Polgy's eating. Sige lang, girl. Sa'yo yan. Polgy's kinda shy because she don't expect that she have a really full meal for her. So there's Polgy eating her own food. So happy that she's happy. Sige. So she's happy now. So we're gonna eat now so we can, finish our food. But she's busy eating now. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.